big data. This is the wave underneath the tsunami of computer stuff. And unfortunately in this, the internet is losing. Huge amounts of data are being released by the federal government. Big data, huge geospatial data sets for analysis. So, there's a claim out there, open data, look what we're doing for humanity. Well, you can't open that big data. You can't analyze that big data. You can't use it. It's a tool. It's a weapon of words now, because the processes, the software required to analyze the data is a monthly fee somewhere. It's very hard to get around. So the federal government and the many agencies do a lot of work providing these maps, these visualizations of big data. It's what the weather agencies and services do across the globe. Each one of them in each country release big data sets that can be looked at against other big data sets. And there you have to turn tools loose on that information that are beyond public reach. If you struggle with Microsoft Office, then there's a lot more to learn to get into those types of tools for big data analysis, for open data sources. So the two-edged sword here that is offered up is, on the one hand, people that preach open source, open data, open systems, open government, open, chop their own kneecaps off. The cost of the tools. If I wanted to present better, I've got monthly fees associated with the software and a good piece of hardware to be able to do that, which is monthly fees. So you back up and try to, figure a better approach. And right now the tubes are free, so top layer of this, the top buzzword is, the two-letter capital AI, right? Artificial intelligence. And it comes with a cost, because nothing is free. Or you have to know the people to ask the questions and be able to formulate the question in terms that they'll bother to ask the questions. So go get a master's, go get do a thesis, do a doctorate work, and you will begin to learn how to do those things, to interact and draw interest from other sciences in order to get shit done. Coffee ramble. So, under that big word, artificial intelligence, AI, is a suite of analytic tools that put the displays together, that build the CGI that people don't believe. So, and one of the tools out there, earth.nullschool.net, I've proselytized for before, preached about. They use those open data sources. And if you can dig in using the menu on the lower left side of the screen, you can see different atmospheric contents. That's all earth.nullschool.net covers, is atmospheric activities and surface activities. There might be an undersea version of that soon. There might be a geological version of that soon, because we do have that amount of data. The National Weather Service just got one of the fastest supercomputers on the planet to analyze data. There's people that want to privatize that. So underneath that, They're opening the data sources up so their huge mining software tools can get at it and sell us a product that we and our tax dollars have built over many decades. They want to steal. They want to put in the Wall Street washing machine of profits. So that's why I'm voting Bernie. All right. Time's up. Later, folks.